Hello, class. This is Dr. Jeffers. Hope all is well. I'm coming to you again. Um, to this, I posted your what was this week two grades. We're on week 3 now. Your week 2 grades have now been posted, and any late assignments should be posted as well. I'm just going to give you some general feedback and notes on things. As far as the writing assignment. For the most part, those went pretty well. Most of you did a very good job on the checklist, and then on the data collection piece, a couple things that sort of stuck out to me. When you guys are doing these assignments, I want you to write in a tone as if I have no idea what you're talking about, and I have no idea about the subject matter. So you need to be writing it for someone who knows nothing about organizational behavior to understand, or has very little to no knowledge on it. Again, it goes back to being detailed in your responses. Some of the checklist questions, people are like, "Hey, what's your name?" "I'm Jamar Jeffers." You go to the next question. "Well, I'm here to make money." That's not a well-constructed paper. Give details, who you are, why you're here, what you bring to the table. List these things out. It's like a job interview, but just take that for future assignments as well. I have to, and the checklist and the data collections, most of you guys did that as well. That was, pretty much, information that came, from the textbook and the application of it all. I need to talk to you guys about paraphrasing versus plagiarism. I've had some interesting conversations with you folks, with some of you, many of you, about the validity of your paper and how you cite your work. So I'll be posting some tidbits in the class about paraphrasing. I know you guys, everyone has the same textbook, and you're probably Googling the same words. You can't cut and paste from the internet. You got to put it in your own words. You're going to have to paraphrase some things. If you cut and paste from a website, it can be misconstrued as academic dishonesty, and we don't want to go down that route. The weekly discussions were great. Discussing, gave your explanation of OD practitioner and identifying some of the problems that an OD consultant may face. That was also great as well. Again, going back to week 1, organizational development is not a one-size-fit-all. Some of you have been using your own companies or your desired companies as sort of your research or your writing sort of subject. So that's been good. But again, the class discussion is to be interactive. Get active early and often. Some of you are waiting until the last minute to make your post. Again, your first posts are always due on Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard, and then on Sunday nights by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard. So those are my grading notes. I did ask a few of you to give me a call to discuss some things in more detail. Keep the good work. Keep rocking. If you need me, call me. I'm here for you. Have a great rest of the week, and I will see you guys on Sunday.